Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. Which energy can cross the boundary in a closed system? The energies is heat and work. Okay, before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used it before, follow the instructions. If you're on a Mac, you use the Mac equivalent. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool. Once you have it open, click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button in snipping tool. This is just an example, by the way. Wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube. Let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording. Then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, leave it in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.